I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility M2 SATA or NVMe so you don't force the wrong card. Once done, back up any important files. This prevents data loss if you must reformat. Next, power down your system, wear an anti-static strap, and install the card into the correct slot, secure with the mounting screw. Make sure connectors are fully seated and the adapter, if used, is firm. Power on only after the card is physically secured. You now let the operating system detect the new SSD card. Open Disk Management or Disk Utility and initialize it as GPT for modern systems. Once initialized, create partitions and format with the appropriate file system. NTFS for Windows, Apps for Mac OS, or XFAT when you need cross-platform access. After formatting, run the manufacturer's utility to update firmware and perform a health check. Make sure to test read/. You finish by mounting the SSD card in your workflow and enabling trim or garbage collection if the OS supports it. This preserves long-term speed. Once everything works, label the volume and create a small recovery file or image for quick restores. If the drive isn't recognized, power down, reseat the card, and try another slot or USB adapter. Then update system drivers and firmware. If problems persist, check Smart Data for hardware faults. This single diagnostic often reveals the cause immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.